Hi, good day again everyone. Welcome to another toy unboxing and review, and this time we will take a look at this wonderful Lamborghini Veneno from Hot Wheels Exotic. So this was released back in 2016 and it's under the end case, and this one comes with the beautiful green paint job. So let's open the box right now. By the way, I'm using this method so that I can put the car back in the case and display it again with the package. So here's the awesome looking Lamborghini Veneno. So once again, this is part of the Hot Wheels Exotic series. This is the 6th car of that series. So it has a solid black tempo here at the hood, which extends to the roof of the car, and at the side it also has these black tempos and the Hot Wheels logo here. Near the rear fender, which also acts as the air scoop for the car in real life. So this car doesn't have front and rear headlight tempos, and then I would like to that they made added some paint details here at the back, but overall pretty cool looking car. So here's the Lamborghini Veneno again, and great car overall. So thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I'll be posting videos daily. Again, thank you guys. Keep on collecting. God bless. Bye.